now that we're working with a visual language, a conversation starts to take place in that language. You have to be kind of gentle because these are really powerful. If I press down really hard, it'll get so bright, it'll make everything else disappear. Sorry, we don't want that.
So these pastels are all just plain, right? Yeah.
Plain?
I mean, they're not oil, they're soft.
Well, the
Soft.
truth is that pastel is the original, and an oil pastel is a kind of a false relative, because an oil pastel is not pastel, and it's nothing like pastel. It's just that the companies had to come up with a name they could sell it. They didn't want to call it an oil stick or an oil crayon or an oil chalk. But that's a better name for it, because there's nothing pastel about oil pastels. They're very bright colors. Art consists of 3, and lately I've changed that to 4 basic elements. And all art is made up of. So you want to name all 4, Lenna?
Line, shape, color, plus texture.
Right. Yeah. Did everyone get that?
No. Line, shape, color, texture.
And that covers it. You can't find an artistic element that doesn't fit into one of those categories. The best way to get familiar with them is to isolate. When you want to learn a subject, and the subject of art is vast, you have to take little pieces and learn it one piece at a time. That's the way everything is learned. It's learned in steps, in chunks, digestible chunks. And we try to digest the biggest and most comprehensive meals of digestible chunks that we can at any one time. But it takes a while even to cover the basics.